Hello everyone. Welcome to my tutorial. In this tutorial we are going to learn very important tool called Align tool. So let's start. Here we have 3 object. Here we have Align panel, you can also find it in Window panel. There are 6 buttons, horizontal left, center and right, these are vertical alignments, top, center and bottom. Select them and click top align so they will align top. If I want to align their bottom, so select them and click on bottom. Now move them for horizontal alignment. Select them and click left align, so they will align from left side. Same for right align. Now create 2 circle, one bigger and one small. If you want this yellow circle on the center of red circle, so select both and click center on horizontal and vertical. Press undo, if I want to center align them but don't want to move red circle. So select both circle and click on red circle again. See blue line appear on red circle, it means that it's locked and will not move. Align them, see only yellow circle move. There are some more options here. Align to selection and align to artboard, align to key selection is none. If I select key object as before, so it will appear. If you want to align your object to your artboard, so select align to artboard, select your object, if you want to align your object on center of your artboard. So it will align your object with your artboard. Same other commands will work. Move to next properties. Make some rectangles, select them and apply vertical distribution top. But what he distribute, they have random gap vertically, but if I measure them from top edge of first object to second object top edge, it's same gap, and move it to down it's also same gap. Means it's not distribute gap between objects, it's work on the gap between same edge of object like we select top distribute. So it's work on top edge. Same as if we apply bottom. And also on center, this is the center of this object, press Ctrl Y for outline view and now measure them. From center to center. Now horizontal tabs works also same. Now there are 2 more buttons, select your object and make a key object, put spacing value on 0 and click on it. So object will come edge to edge without space, see on outline view. Now apply spacing then click. Now they have spacing which we applied. Move them horizontal, select them, apply value. That's all about Align tool. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, so like and share it. If you have any comments, so you are welcome on comment section. See you in next video.